Kain ako ng pagkain. I ordered Japanese food. My favorite. And we're gonna have a little chit chat. Just a little bit. I really. Sa mga pranksters kayo, ganun. Is it fine na tinig niyo pa rin ba ako? Hi. Don't know. But the teaser for Overdrive is out now. And you can find it on YouTube. And I want to know your thoughts about it. Let me know. What do you think? Let me know. Model of Tokyo Tokyo, no. I would love to, though. One of my favorite restaurants. Hello. Sorry, my hair is a mess. Cool. Summer na summer. Hello. Oh, it's not sushi. It's actually gyoza. Hello, I'm good. I see. Here din eh, umuulan na. I think everywhere naman. Don't know. Ingat. Um, Instagram. Thank you much, Blade, for the little crown. What's the name of the fan base in my country? It's MN Loves. I don't know. Not with me. Baliktad ba? Wait, No. I don't get to read Wattpad anymore. More on I'm more into reading like self-help. Not really self-help, but like psychology books and stuff. I'm good, thank you. Actually, hindi naman talo na kami ng Bini. Why would you say that we're in a competition naman? Oh, see you. Where else is what? Actually, nakaka-proud yung Bini kasi I know how, they work really hard to be where they are right now. And yeah, super nakaka-proud of finally we're starting to love what's yung tinatangkilik na natin yung sariling atin. I don't know where Fenny-san is. Please don't ask me. She's probably resting. She's not with me. Where? No Fenny here. I don't want to disturb their rest. Tennyson is the leader of Quadlips. Hi. Kanina? Kanina saan? Hello. Mm. Pagaling na ata. No, cannot speak Indonesian. Just a little bit. Terima kasih. Apa? My toe? No, I can't. I am in an awkward position to show it. Ayo. Oh wait, no. Ayo as in ayo or ayo? Ayo. Hi. Yeah, come join Quadlips fan base. I'm doing okay right now. I just have an announcement to make later. Waiting for Overdrive in summertime. Overdrive is coming real quick na. This Monday, right? This Monday. Very nervous for Overdrive. But I hope you guys will like it. Saan ko lalagay yung sauce? Cool. Do you like Thai food? Of course. I love Baliang. And I love Pad Thai. And what else? I forgot. I forgot. I forgot the name. Girl group you admire, love to listen to as of today. Aside from Beanie, I guess local. Um, I don't. For foreign, I'd say. Oh no! Now I realize I don't get to listen to music that much because I'm watching. I'm mostly watching TV series lately. How about your foot injury? Right now, it's getting better, but I have to. Yeah, I have to. Um, what do you call this? I have to. TS. Ano yung TS in English? TS is like go go through the pain whenever may ganap, but it's okay. Hello. What is that? Where do I put the salt? Lipat natin to dito. Yeah, you and I have been talking daily. Been catching feelings, don't know how. You got that something there. It's making me go wild. And my head spinning round and round. Na-release na yun, di ba? It's fine, right? It's fine. It's fine. Is it fine? It's fine. Right? It's fine, right? Ito na lang hindi yung isang kanta kinanta ko. I don't have scissors. How are you guys? I'm fine. I'm really fine. I mean, yeah, I'm good. Thank you for asking. Gusto ko na mahanap yung gunting. Oh, never mind. I have this. Hindi ako spoiler. Hindi summertime yung kinanta ko. I sang Overdrive. Daijoubu, Daijoubu. Right? Yeah. T-pop showcase. We already performed the whole song. So it should be fine. Anyway, we'll be answering questions in a bit. I'm just trying to eat dinner. Yum yum. Kain. Mm. Miss ko na rin sila. Anyway. Bawal. Akin lang to. Cole? My full name is Ashley Nicole Samara. And the Cole comes from my second name, Nicole. So I believe that's where they got Nicole. Where are you right now? I'm in Thailand. So, thank you. It's okay. MNL doesn't have a showroom. And thank you so much. One of our managers actually asked me to do that hairstyle. And at first I was quite hesitant, like I didn't want to do it, but they're not really good. Shall I look at IG, ano na? IG questions? Patugtog tayo, hindi ko kaya, ang tahimik. Ay, miss ko na. Gusto ko na umuwi. May masaya. I'm really happy with what, like, Quad Lives, but I really miss my family. It's really hard here. Alone. Not really alone. But yeah. I'm gonna watch Magic Hour by JKT48 kasi I only heard it. I did not watch the music video yet. So that is what I'm gonna do. Ooh. Mm, I want translation with translation English. Mm, I don't understand. Okay, it's fine. It's been 8 days. Mm, let's go. Oh, Christine! Wow. Aww. Wow. Wow. Of course. Wow. I did not expect that. Aww. Of course. Penny Sun slaying as always. I like it. I don't understand the lyrics though, and I've heard this already. Okay, Mr. Monster. I've heard the song na. I've watched the series, pero I just watched the MV now. It's so good. Oh, Love Trip MV teaser. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Please keep supporting me and Quadlips and Mia and MNL 48. What was I gonna do? Uh, uh, what was I gonna do? Love Trip. Aww, BNK. Ah, CGM, CGM. I saw, ano ba yun? The performance, I think. It's just a glimpse of it, but let's see. Pretty. Oh, that was good. That was good. Wow. Okay, patugtog na tayo. Pwede patugtugin. MNL. I see. Mhm. See you na. I'm really excited for Overdrive. And nervous too. Mm. Hindi nyo rinig yung music? I'm eating tempura. Tapos kanina I was eating gyoza. Because, yeah. Hindi rinig. Ako lang rinig nyo? Oh my gosh. Maganda yung mic. It means the mic is really, really good. Do you want to hear the music? Should I disconnect the microphone or what? Okay. Hello. Sadly, walang isaw dito. I'm gonna get water. Walang isaw dito. Is the background fine? Hold on. Wait up a little bit. Off cam ko muna. If I can. I'm back. Just had to get water. Anyway. Hello. Let me just finish eating and I'll answer all your questions now. Just not anything related to the 8th single. Now it's 7:21. 1 hour behind. 1 hour behind sa Philippines, yes. Alam ko, as far as I know, they're gonna post yung mga members, pero I'm not sure. Kasi I'm really not sure about that then. Hi. What if I leave you here? Wait. Balik ko na nga lang kayo dito. Huh? Hmm? Not sure. I'm really not sure. My Quad Lips friends are resting right now. I'm not sure. I don't know. Yeah, but it's sad. Yeah, I won't. Mm. Um, how do I balance? Hmm, mahirap. It was hard. It is hard. Uh, I can't cry. I cannot cry here. It's hard because I don't know if I can say details pa. Maybe not now. Maybe after the release of Summertime. Yeah. Maybe it's more appropriate na may kwento ko, yung buong kwento. And although ano pa din, yung mga details lang na you guys have to know. Thank you. Anyway, I'm almost done eating. Busog na ako though. Ah, yeah, me too. I'm also waiting for MNL48 new song. Thank you, Lock Robster. Is this for ano? Song request? Miss ko na mag Jollibee. Miss ko na mang-asar ng kapatid. Kasi dito ang naasar ko lang si Fame eh. Actually, si Hinasan din, tsaka si Fenisan. But you know, mas funny ako pag nagtatagalog, okay? I'm funnier in Tagalog than in English. Pag nagjo-joke ako, alam mo yun, pag nagjo-joke ako, di nila gets. Hmm, pero okay lang, tinuturuan ko naman sila. Minecraft muna. Hmm. So yeah, mm, grateful din ako kasi uh, MNL48's 8 single somehow brought us second generation, third generation as members together. Yeah. Iba kasi humor. I know, right? They don't get it. But it's okay. Yan nga, again, tinuturuan ko na din sila. Si Fame, dami ng alam na Tagalog words. Good Tagalog words. Mm, yeah. Nag-i-English sila. Magaling sa mag-English. Bah. Oh no, I don't understand. Of course, good. I mean, who teaches bad words, right? I don't know. Thank you. Hello. Ano pa ba? Um, ever since na-injure ako, I've been spending more time with my siblings na din. Pero nung dumami na ulit yung ganap, like, ever since Overdrive is about to be released, yeah, ngayon, puro na ako rest ulit. Youngest is Fame. Oh, okay. It's 7 p.m. 7:30. Hapkon ka! Thank you so much! You have mom? Hello! Busog na ako! Ba't ganun? Hindi, kaya ko to. Mhm. Pero, ang ganda ng album ni Billie Eilish. Legit. Favorite ko yung ano, mm, mm, The Greatest. The Greatest by Billie Eilish. Pakinggan nyo. Grabe. I mean, not totally, ano naman, not totally can relate, but for most, yes. Ang gaganda ng mga kanta. Talagang tagos. Thank you so much. I love movies. Hmm? No. It's okay. I don't. I want fries. Yes. For the ASMR ang voice ko. Today I'm not allowed to say, sadly. But we had, aside from that one thing, we had training. It's okay. Comeback nyo sa 20. Ang quadlips, ha? Kaya nga eh. I might need to be quiet first. Hihi. We can read. Where's my other phone? Eh? Ayun. We can read some questions na now. I wanted to go live with Hina-san. But I didn't, my room's kinda, yeah, basta we don't go to each other's rooms that much. And the canteen, there are like other people in the canteen, so we couldn't go live there, so I'm not sure. I genuinely don't know. Siguro, kasi we have a lot in store. So, baka soon. Maybe. Maybe soon. Saranghayor. I'm at Min Thailand. It's okay. I won't judge you. Your friends, of course. Fanny-san is my leader. I respect her very, very much. Yes, MNL48 doesn't use showroom. We use TikTok. Love you all. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Yeah, I remember. I need to announce that that yes, mahal ko kayo. I want to announce that Quad Lips will be having the our next single on May 20. So we'll be releasing Overdrive on May 20 already in 2 days. And that's it. Hindi. Hindi pa Quad Lips in Manila, sadly. Maybe soon. Or, I don't know. I'm not sure if I should announce. Pero malay nyo, may ganap ang MNL 48 soon. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. How many generations are there now in MNL? We have three generations. Hello. Maybe next month? Maybe this month? Maybe. Thank you so much. What should I prank the Quad Lips members? You know, they're very hard to prank because they take me really seriously. Like, if I get hurt, if I say something is painful, either they will laugh at me or they will very much be worried. There's nothing in between, so it's very hard to prank them. I'm second generation. Alam ko kung kailan, yes, alam ko kung kailan, pero hindi ko pwede sabihin. Yeah. I know, it never worked. I don't know why. Maybe. I mean, Hina-san? I'm scared to prank them. Genuinely, they're scary to prank. I respect them too much. Where is the takip? There it is. Ligpit lang ako, guys. Really? On mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. Yeah, maybe. Just wait for the announcement. But I heard then that they're boiling something up for the anniversary. And I heard then na dapat mag-ipon na kayo. You're all I need to be with forevermore. Kapkun ka, terima kasih. Walang maipon, ayun lang. Okay, yes. If sabi ni Captain, then it's probably true. Ay, sama ng loob pa nga. Go. Anyway, let's go look at those Q&A na. Let's go. Eh, wait lang. Story ko lang itong bagong post ni Quadlips. Was I able to post a Q&A? Why isn't it here? Hello? Oh, there. Wow, okay. How's your day? My day was very productive. I got to do the thing for Quadlips. I got to practice and I got to go live. Hello. Kamusta na to mo? It's getting better na at the moment. Thank you so much. Thank you for the virtual gifts, guys. Thank you for the lucky 9. Okay, next. Next is, yeah, how is your toe? It's getting better na. And thank you so much. Thank you. Next. Next. Bakit ganon? There you go. Tell me about yesterday's feelings. Oh, the Billie Eilish album release was very, very emotional. Sobrang ganda nung album. I'm telling you right now. Tagos siya sa buto. Legit, like, but it was great. It was great. I felt, I could relate to some of the songs and ang ganda nung, kumbaga, story nung buong album. Like, legit. Is this Alexa Haley? Is this Aiden? Hello. Basta tago sa buto. Next. Hindi ka ba the moon? I can't see the moon right now. I mean, the view here is maganda yung view dito but di tanaw yung moon. I mean, I can't see the moon. Hello. On a one-on-one idol showdown, who would win? Cole Quadlips or MNL48 Cole? On a one-on-one idol showdown, who's gonna win? Cole from MNL48 or Cole from Quadlips? That's hard. I feel like thank you so much. Hello. Who do you think? Who do you think will win? If MNL48 Cole went one-on-one with Quadlips Cole, who's gonna win? Cole from QC. uh, where are you? I'm in Thailand. Both? I feel like I feel like Quadlips Cole or MNL48 Cole. Yes. What? I mean, MNL48 Cole is more and Quadlips Cole is more of I don't know. MNL48 Cole would be more enthusiastic and would really parang I don't know. She has more like and Colors Cole. Oh, they both have their pros and cons. Same then. I feel like uh I mm, that's so hard. The question's so hard for me. What do you think? Quad Lips Cole. Yeah, I feel like Quad Lips Cole would win because because hello, Quad Cole would win because she learned a lot here. She was able to explore and learn a lot about herself, about her talents, about what she can do. And yeah, I feel like that's very important in growth. Hmm? Oh, Hina-san. Hina-san, so cute. I'm calling her. Eh? Hina-san, I'm live on TikTok now and I want to go live with you. Yeah. No, 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 no. No. You wanna come or you wanna join? But I want to go to the canteen, but there's people downstairs. What? Why are you there? You don't know? What time will you come home? Hey, why? Okay, enjoy. Next time. Okay. Okay, next time. Take care, take care, take care. Bye bye. Hinasan is not here. So I don't know where Fanny-san is. But I'm pretty sure she's just there at the next door because we prefer staying inside sometimes than going out. Depends on the Thank you so much. Depends on the mood. Fanny-san, Fanny-san. I saw a question like, if one of the members is sick, what would you do? We've been through a lot already in the span of like 7 months. And oh, she's showroom right now. I see. Uh, um, okay. What was I saying? Yeah. So me and Fenisan get sick a lot, but we take care of each other. If I'm sick, well, I did get sick. I am sick. Actually, I'm injured. And the one when I got COVID, because I got COVID, mind you that. I got COVID recently, and Feni-san was my number one, um, was my, she was my number one mama. It's not really mama, but she's like, my sister, like true sister. She's the one who reheated my food. She checked on me from time to time, asked if I had water. She she took care of me basically when I had COVID. Although, she's in a different room. We had this method like I'd chat her and um I'd put my food in a plastic bag and put it on my doorknob so she could get it and reheat it downstairs and then put it back here so I can eat. uh, Hina-san did that too. And yeah, Fame gave me sweet messages because we were really really scared that the other members would get COVID too. So yeah, but yeah, they take care of me here. Yes, MNL48 can live on TikTok because we don't have showroom. Favorite subject in school? Take a guess. When summertime? I don't know. Yes. Hello. Mm. Yeah, so we go live on TikTok. Oday. Ingat. Hello. Thank you, Dre. Thank you guys for the virtual gifts. Ano daw? No, I'm not okay now. Pagaling pa rin yung injury ko. How's your study? Finals na. Finals na ba? Yeah, finals na. Yes, injured pa rin ang ate mo, girl. Anong kanta ang gusto mo sa MNL48? First Rabbit. How are you today? I'm good. Okay, let's answer more questions. Yeah, some members go live every day. Hold on. Anong meaning ng quad lips? Quad lips means four, and because we're from different countries, we share different languages and we express ourselves through our music. So lips, quad, four lips. Khop ka. Thank you. Thank you, Naka. How much do you love the members? Oh, very much, of course. Very, very much. They're basically sisters to me. Can you please sing a snippet of Overdrive? I did. I did a while ago and I panicked. I was like, is it fine that I sing it? I think it's because we released it already, right? Not sure. Situation of Qualos members. What does that mean? Miss ko na rin kayo. No, I'm not sick now. I'm just injured. Madilim ba? Okay lang, no? Or is it too dark? Oh, okay lang yan. I'm from the Philippines. I don't speak much Indonesian. Hindi ako cute pag nagagalit. Hello. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you. Wala. I'm fine. Is it... Hold on, dami ah. Ayun. Toe still swollen? No. Any specific time frame for full recovery? Yes, it's 1 month. And I got this on April 23. So it should be okay ng May 23, I hope. Toe still swollen? Not anymore. Not swollen naman na. It's just... It's... It has like scars around it. So it still hurts pag tinatapak. What can you say about how you looked yesterday from hair to outfit? I did not expect it to come together like that, but it looked really well. The stickers are really nice. I want them. This is from fans. From fans. I have another. You know what? I love keeping Nawala. Where? How about now? Okay na? Hello? Hello? Okay. Low-bat yung isa. Just let me know if nawala ulit. Because that probably means low-bat na rin. But it's good, no? The quality is not bad. Hi! Ano sinasabi ko kanina? Ginghang check. Ah! Ang cute ng suot mo. Short sleeve polo. Lalaking totoo. Stickers! Okay. So, I love receiving stickers, love letters from you guys. And if there is no stickers or love letter, I love to keep the tags of the one who gave me those gifts. And I also like receiving gifts. I love gifts. Share ko lang. Hello, love you all too. Kantahan na ba tayo? Parang ayoko magkantahan. What hair? I want to try orange. Actually, since Overdrive is coming, I was supposed to have orange hair for Overdrive, but we were in Japan and we weren't sure if the time, like the schedule would be enough for me to be able to get orange hair. So yeah, we didn't get to change my hair color for Overdrive. Yo, we can't be friends, but if we just pretend, see if you like me again. It's a gift. I'll wait for your love. I'm not sure if there's gonna be merch for Quad Lips. Maybe after a few releases of songs, or maybe if we have like maybe fan meet or something like that. But for now, I guess magparami muna tayo ng supporters. Hello. I'm from Philippines. Stream Overdrive and Catch Me Kiss Me. Yeah, please. Cute pose. Oh no, I don't know how. Huh? Hello. Hello. Gonna end in 50 seconds kasi seconds kasi seconds kasi hello. Yeah, I think it's gonna work.
For 99 to 3,699. May pa-fingerprint pa yan. Ito yung RAM niyan nga, 512 gigabytes. Bilis! Ayan na! Limited stocks na lamang yan, guys. Kaya, iilan lamang makakapag-stock, makakapag-checkout, guys. Kapag nakita nyo sold out, automatic yan, mga dancer natin, ha. Pwede nang mabalik yan sa 9,999. Ang S20 Ultra natin, guys, kasi ano siya sa tawag dito, 5 lenses yung ating camera, while sa ating H30 Plus ay 3 lenses. Ito naman sa ating S20 Ultra, guys, ay 5 lenses. Pwede silang salpakan ng memory card. Sa ating S20 Ultra, pwedeng mamili ng gigaan ng ROM. Ng ROM natin, guys, sa ROM natin sa S20 Ultra, merong 256 gigabytes, meron din 512 gigabytes. Sa ating H30 Plus naman, guys, pwedeng mamili sa RAM, either po 12 gigabytes or 8 gigabytes. Tapos naman, mga dancer natin, pagdating sa heavy games, mas maganda si ating item number 2. And then, maganda rin yung quality ng number 2 natin pagdating sa camera. Sir Gilbert, hindi po. Kaya bilisan nyo na, guys. Last day na ng pa-promo natin. Okay? Hindi, mga dancer ko. Napaka-smooth na tong gamitin. What you see is what you get. Okay? Yung 3,499 natin, guys. Cellphone yan. Ang 499 po, Bluetooth headphone. Okay, bilis. Ayan na, guys. Meron na lang tayong 30 minutes para makahabol. Dahil po pag nag-end yung live ko automatic, guys, babalik ko na yun sa 9,999. Bilis! Ayan na! Mag-done checkout para ma-monitor natin kung pumasok. Ayan, dahil bibigyan ko kayo ng mga pa-free items. Gusto nyo ba yon? Ayan na, para mabigyan ng mga pa-free items, guys, mag-double time sa pag-checkout. Ayan si Bebe ni Urdas. Ayan, sige ma'am. Waiting tayo pumasok, ma'am. Ayan, guys, bilisan nyo lang sa pag-checkout. Dali! Ayan, dahil limited stocks lamang po yan siya kapag hindi ka nakahabol again. Ang ganda ng quality ng H30 Plus. As in, pagsisisihan ninyo kapag hindi kayo nag-check out. Ang 499, ma'am, 499 po natin ay Bluetooth headphone. That's why I'm saying po na 3,499 po siya. Ayan, no po. Hindi tayo second hand, guys. Okay, kapag naka-receive kayo ng feeling nyo second hand, pwede nyong ibalik yan kasi it's your right eh. Okay, may 1 year warranty tayo dyan. Pero kapag naka-sealed, naka-box yan, guys, again, that is brand new. Legit na legit yan, mga dancer ko. Wala tayong problemahin, guys. Kapag nagkaroon ng issue, pwede kayong mag-request ng refund or exchange because we have 1 year warranty. Okay? Ayan, this is H30 Plus, mga dancer ko. H30 Plus, dual SIM card, volume speaker, charging pin, salpakan na headphone, on and off button, 3 lenses camera, may pa-fingerprint ka na. Ayan, guys, napaka-smooth. Kasi si S20 Ultra natin, wala siyang fingerprint. Yes, sure na sure. Wala kayong dapat ikabahala. Ayan. Kasi, magbibigay tayo ng 1 year warranty. Legit. 3,499 na lamang siya. Sino pang gusto umabol? Bilis! Ayan na, napaka-smooth lang ng screen natin. Pasensyahan tayo, guys, kapag hindi ka nakahabol. Ayan na. Dahil automatic, guys, sold out na yan. 28 minutes, guys, sa paunahan, guys. Meron na lamang tayong 16 stocks dito sa item number 2. 16 stocks, automatic sold out. Napakarami nyo pang pwedeng mag-check out, pero 18 stocks na lamang yan. Kapag hindi nakahabol, mga dancer ko, pasensyahan tayo. Babalik na yan sa 9,999. Okay, ibabalik na yan sa 9,999. Hindi lang yan, guys. Ito pa ang kinaganda, yung camera ng ating ayan, H30 Plus. Sobrang ganda ng quality ng camera natin. Ito, guys, talagang best seller din natin yan. Kasi kita nyo. Di ba napakalinaw? Hindi lang yan, syempre front camera din. Okay, di ba napakalinaw? Talagang masya-shut up kagandahan ng ating quality ng camera niyan. Okay? Ayan, napaka-smooth pa guys ng screen. Tapos, eto pa, 512 gigabytes na yun mga dancer ko. Double time, sino pang hindi nakakahabol? Ayan na, 11 stocks na lang agad-agad. Grabe, napakabilis. Humabol na, sino pang gusto humabol guys? 11 stocks na lang. 11 stocks na lang, bilis. Double time, ang automatic sold out na yan. Ibabalik na yan sa 9,999 kapag na-sold out yan. Ako, wala nang makakahabol. Wala nang makakahabol, guys. Kasi ibabalik na yan sa 9,999. Okay, papakita ko pa yung makukuha niyo pa free items. Sobrang ganda na ito mga dancer natin. Ayan guys, talagang hindi kayo madidisappoint. Ito yung makukuha niyo pa free items mga dancer natin. Ayan ma'am, baby, agad guys ano po ba yung tinatanong nyo ma'am? Ayan, ang nabasa ko lang sa tanong nyo, ano yung pangalan ng CP? Ha, 30 plus. Ayun lang yung comment nyo ma'am. The rest, wala na. Yes, ayan na. Yes po mga dancer natin. Within the zone lang tayo guys, kaya umabol na. Ang 999 po, Bluetooth headphone yan. Kaya umabol na sa pag-check out, bilis. Ayan, sino pa bang hindi nakakahabol dyan? Double time. Kita nyo, napaka-responsive, super high graphics. Pwede pang i-ultra, guys. Okay, bilisan nyo na. Number 2, bilis. Number 2, gana. Di po ba talaga naglalag as in? No, ma'am. Hindi naglalagyan, mga dancer ko. Ayan, mababali yung ating, ayan, graphics. Pero meron tayong, ayan, may another, tayo, sample dito. Ayan, para kapag mababa yung graphics, dito tayo sa isa. Ayan, rank game pa yan. Pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano ka-smooth yan. Bilisan nyo na, ayan na. 11 stocks na lang guys. Automatic sold out na yan. Nakita nyo si ating S220 Ultra sold out na. Kaya umabol na sa check out guys dahil po pag nag-anyo live ko, automatic balik na yan sa 9,999. Bilis! Ayan guys sa number po. Wait lang, number 2. Teka lang. Let me now double check. Sold out na ba? Sold out na ba item number 2? Ayan guys sinabihan ko na kayo double time sa pag-check out. Double time sa pag-check out. Ayan sino pa bang hindi nakakahabol dyan? Humabol na bago pa tayo bumalik sa 9,999. Bago pa yan bumalik sa 9,999. Bilis, ayan na, 10 stocks na lang guys. 10 stocks na lang, automatic. Babalik na yan sa 9,999. Babalik na yan sa 9,999. Yes, ma'am. Eto na, waiting lang tayo mag-loading. Teka lang, ha? Hindi mabilis mag-loading yung tawag dito, yung ating waiting pa tayo mag-loading pala. Okay, yung ML. Hindi po ba maglalagbag sa GCash? Anong maglalag sa GCash? What do you mean? Paano maglalag? Ayan guys, eto mga dancer natin ha. Ayan, yung number 2 lang yung sold out, pero yung number 1, available pa. Bilisan nyo na. Ito yung earphone natin, guys, ay 499. Pero yung cellphone natin, guys, 3,499. Meron din tayo dito 3,699. Okay? Ayan, wala pong pink basket. Okay, bilis. Ayan na, guys, 8 stock na lang item number 2. Grabe, napakabilis nyo mag-check out guys Napakabilis nyo mag-check out. Item number 2 natin guys. Meron na naman tayong, ayan, napaka-smooth yan gamitin ma'am. No lag at all. Mama ha, eto. Kay ma'am sino ba ulit yan? Ma'am Bibe. Ma'am Bebe ni Ordras. Ayan, napaka-smooth na to gamitin. Sino ba hindi nakakahabol? 8 stocks na lang yan. Automatic sold out, wala na makakahabol. Ibabalik na yan sa 9,999. Number 2 ba? Number 2 or number 1? Number 2. Ayang nakapin guys. Number 2 yan. Number 2 yan nakapin. Okay? Yung S220 Ultra sold out yun. Di ka marunong magtingin ng basket, sir. Ayan, baka gusto mo turuan kita. Ayan guys, double time sa pag-check out. Ayan na. 8 stocks na lamang guys. Watch it at mga dancer ko. Okay, dahil po kapag nag-anyo live ko guys, automatic yan, babalik na yan sa 9,999 mga dancer ko. Ayan, automatic, ayan na guys. 5 stocks na lamang po mga dancer ko. 5 stocks na lamang guys. Yung 499 po natin, Bluetooth headphone yan. Bluetooth headphone yan mga dancer ko. Okay, double time. Sino pa bang hindi nakakahabol dyan guys bago pa tayo bumalik sa 9,999? Ang papiso deal pala natin guys, yung charger niyan guys ay Android. Yung papiso deals natin guys again, kapag po nag-checkout lang po ng pa-cellphone. Ayan, so kapag hindi ka nag-checkout, that means wala kang papiso items. Ayan na, required po yan yung mga papiso items natin. Makakakuha ka lang kapag nag-checkout ka ng cellphone na worth 3,000 plus, then makakakuha ka ng papiso items. Ito yan. Okay? Ayan guys double time lang sa pag-checkout kasi mag-e-end na rin tayo ng live. So kapag hindi nakahabol guys, automatic, ibabalik na natin sa 9,999 yan. Ibabalik ko na yan sa 9,999. Yes po, may kasama na po yan siyang charger. Ayan na. Double time. Ayan na guys 5 stocks na lamang yan guys. Automatic sold out. And then we have cash on delivery nationwide shipping in 24 hours. Magbibigay pa ako ng 1-year warranty. Kaya guys, double time. Sino pa hindi nakakahabol dyan? Bilisan nyo na. Yung case ma'am, dahil po out of stock na yung case natin, pinalit na lang natin is yung Bluetooth headphone. Ito na lang yung binigay ko sa inyo. Ayan, Bluetooth headphone na lang kasi out of stock na yung ating case. Yung 499 po, Bluetooth headphone, hindi po yan siya cellphone. Bilisan nyo na guys, mag-e-end na tayo ng live. Ayan, sino pa bang gusto umabol? Kasi kung wala na gusto umabol, ibabalik na natin sa 9,999. Cavite guys, 2 to 3 days delivered na. Wala na bang gusto umabol? Ibabalik na natin sa 9,999 yan. Ang 499 guys, Bluetooth headphone, hindi yan cellphone. Bluetooth headphone, hindi yan cellphone mga dasar ko. Kaya naman umabol ka na sa pag-check out. Humabol ka na dahil po ibabalik ko na yan sa 9,999. Okay, so yes po. 3,499 lamang siya. 3,499 kasi original price po niya 9,999. Original price 9,999. Bilis! Ayan na, mawawala na 500 discount pa free items. Ang daming mawawala. Kaya guys, kung wala nang gustong umabol, ayan, take note. Last day na ng pa-promo natin. Kung wala nang gustong umabol, mga madang sir ko, ayan, ibabalik ko na yan sa 9,999. Babalik na yan sa 9,999. Bilis! Sino pa hindi nakakahabol dyan, mga madang sir ko? Sino pa hindi nakakahabol? Bilisan nyo na sa pag-check out. Okay? Watch sis, watch agad mga madang sir ko. Okay, double time. Ayan, sa umabol. Dahil 3 stocks na lang yan guys, automatic mga madang sir natin, babalik niya sa 9,999. Automatic sold out na rin yan mga madang sir ko. Automatic sold out na, kaya naman umabol na sa pag-check out. Kaya naman umabol na sa pag-checkout guys. Okay? Double time, 3,490 na lang mo siya. Yung nakapin yan guys, nakapin ha. Yes, malinaw ang camera. 3 stocks na lang guys, automatic sold out na. Automatic sold out na. Ang ganda pa naman ng quality ng camera natin. Diba sobrang linaw guys. Talagang dito pa lang wala na disappointment. Pagdating pa sa sa ating online games, wala pang disappointment din yan. Eto guys, legit na legit. Double time dahil po again, kapag nag-end yung live ko guys, automatic yan ha. Babalik na yan sa 9,999. Sino pang gusto umabol? Bilis! Ayan guys, umabol na dahil po, again, automatic sold out na yan mga dancer ko dahil 3 stocks na lang ha, diba? 3 stocks na lamang yan mga dancer ko. Ibabalik ko na yan sa 9,999. Ibabalik ko na yan sa 9,999. Ang 499 po natin ay Bluetooth headphone guys. 499 ay Bluetooth headphone. Ayan na guys. Again sa mga nakahabol, congrats sa inyo. Bibigyan ko kayo ng mga pa-free items. Bibigyan ko kayo ng mga pa-free items guys. We have cash on delivery nationwide. Ship within 24 hours. Magbibigay pa ako ng 1-year warranty. Ayan na. Sold out na si item number 1 and 2 natin. Grabe, napakabilis naman talaga guys sa ma-sold out yan. Dahil po last day na ng pa-promo natin guys. Last day na ng pa-promo. Kaya naman guys, I'm really sorry sa mga na hindi nakahabol guys. Okay, and then sa mga nakahabol again, ibibigyan ko kayo ng mga pa-free items. Ayan guys, bibigyan ko kayo ng mga pa-free items. Yes, legit guys. Watch sis, watch again mga madam sir ko. What you see is what you get, guys. Kaya naman sa mga hindi nakahabol, nako, I'm really sorry, guys. May pa 1 year warranty pa naman sana yan. May pa 1 year warranty, kaya huwag kayong mag-alala. If ever na magkaroon ng issue, no need to worry, secured pa rin ang money. Okay? Ayan, guys, sa mga nag-check out, maraming salamat po. Ayan guys, ang dami pang nagtatanong kay S23 Ultra. Okay, sige mga madam sir natin. Ayan na, may gusto bang umabol kay S23 Ultra mga madam sir natin? May gusto bang umabol kay S23 Ultra? Comment lang po na habol mga madam sir natin para mabigyan na. Comment lang po ng habol mga madam sir ko. Bibigyan ko kayo ng paproan ng ating, ayan, 500 discount. Yes guys, gagawin ko na lang siyang 3,399. Gagawin ko na lang siyang 3,399. Comment lang po ng habol guys. Gagawin na lang natin siyang 3,399. Kasi kapag inan natin yung ating, ayan na, pasil guys, babalik na yan sa 9,999. Okay? Babalik na yan sa 9,999. Ayan. Ano mas prefer? Mas mapapamahal or mapapamura? Siyempre, dito tayo kay 3,399. Dito tayo kay 3,399 kaya umabol na sa pag-check out. Kaya double time sa pag-comment guys. Ayan para makapag-restock tayo agad-agad. Okay? Ayan. Sige mga dancer natin. Sige guys hanggang ano tayo? 9:15. Comment lang ng habol guys. Comment lang ng habol ha. Ayan 9:15 abangan ninyo. Ayan guys para makapag-restock tayo mga dancer ko. Ayan 9:15. Okay sige mga dancer natin ha. Waiting nyo, i-refresh nyo yung ating yellow basket. Ayan, waiting tayo guys. I-refresh nyo yung yellow basket mga madam sir ko. I-refresh nyo na. Ayan na, meron na tayong sample guys. Number one, naglabas lang si ating sa warehouse manager na 10 stocks lang. 10 stocks lang mga madam sir ko. 10 stocks lang guys. Susulitin na natin kasi last day na ng pa-promo. So, pag sinabing last day, wala nang bukas yan mga madam sir ko. Wala nang bukas guys. Babalik na yan sa 9,999. Kaya dito pa lang guys, ito na pinakamura 3,399. Ayan na, i-check nyo na yellow basket. 10 stocks lang yan paunahan. Dual SIM card, volume speaker, charging pin, paka na headphone, on and off button, 5 lenses, cameras. Double time lang, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng 15 minutes para makahabol. 15 minutes para makahabol. Ayan, 3,399 na lamang siya mga dancer ko. 3,399. 512 gigabytes na po yan siya. Okay, 512 gigabytes na siya guys. Bibilisan na lang natin ha. Dahil po, bibigyan ko na lang kayo ng 15 minutes. Double time, ayan, napaka-smooth pa ng screen yan. Okay, watch you see, watch you get. Color black and white, Ma'am Jessa. Eto mama, kapag nag-end na yung live call, pag nag-end na yung pa-promo natin, ibabalik ko na yung sa 9,999. Bibigyan ko na lang kayo ng 14 minutes ha para makahabol. Ang lakas pa ng speaker niyan. Bilisan nyo na sa pag-checkout guys. Double time. Ayan na. 10 stocks lang ha. Take note. 10 stocks, paunahan. Kapag nakahabol ka, bibigyan kita ng pa-free items. Okay? Pag nakahabol ka, bibigyan kita ng pa-free items. Kaya i-checkout nyo na ng mabilisan. Paunahan guys. 10 stocks lang yan. 10 katao lang pwede mag-checkout. Ma'am, anong kasama? Marami, ma'am. Okay? Magdaan checkout lamang po para mabigyan ng mga pa-free items. Magdaan checkout para makakuha ng pa-free items. Magdaan checkout, bilisan nyo na. Ayan na guys, dahil po kapag nag-end yung live ko, automatic, babalik ko na yan sa 9,999. Yes, good for gaming yan mga madam sir ko, walang disappointment na tol. Ayan na, ipapakita pa natin guys, 512 gigabytes bilis. Ayan na, nagdaan checkout na. Nagdaan checkout na mga madam sir natin. Di na ba kailangan ng memory niyan, ma'am? Kailangan, pwede kayo maglagay ng memory, pero ayan na, optional po. Optional lang ma'am, kasi malaki na yung storage niyan. Meron tayong 256 gigabytes, tapos 512 gigabytes. Ito ang makukuha niyo pa free items ma'am. Kaya umabot ka ma'am kasi, ayan, ang dami pang mag-a-avail niyan. Ayan guys, meron na naman tayong 8 stocks na lang pala. 8 stocks, ayan na. Ayan, ang dami na nagdadan checkout guys, kaya umabot ka na. Kung gusto niyo umabot, ang dami nang umahabol guys. Ayan, meron naman tayong 8 stocks guys, kaya umabot ka na sa pag-checkout. Napakadami nyo lang makukuha pa free items. Humabol na dahil again, ayan, 8 stocks lamang po ang nilabas natin. Kapag hindi ka nakahabol, ibabalik ko na yun sa 9,999. Okay? Ayan na, pwede to pang gaming guys. No lag at all, napaka-smooth pang gamitin. Ayan, 512 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes. Yes ma'am, kasi kapag chinek nyo yung kanyang price, 3,399 or 3,599. Ang mas mataas na gigabytes guys, that is 3,599. Okay? Kaya humabol ka na mga dancer natin. Humabol ka na. Ilang bag balis Zewela. Teka lang, let me check. Umabot na 8 stocks na lang mga dancer ko. Bilisan nyo na sa pag-check out. Bilisan nyo na. Limited lamang yan guys para lamang yan sa mga gusto humabol. Humabol na habang maaga pa, bilis. Dahil automatic sold out na yan mga dancer ko. Automatic sold out na yan. Wait lang let me check kung saan yung Valenzuela banda. Kung sa Luzon lang yan guys, 2 to 3 days delivered na. Kapag naman Visayas, Mindanao, 5 days to 7 days. Ayan, so ano lang siya. Ayan guys, umabot na sa pag-check out, bilis. Sino pang gusto umabot? Double time sa pag-check out. What you see is what you get, mga madam sir ko. What you see is what you get. Sino pang gusto umabot? Ang processor niyan guys ay Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Ayan na guys, 7 stocks na lamang po. Ayan guys, sino pang gusto umabot? Ayan, so dahil po sa Luzon lang yan, 2 to 3 days delivered na po yan mga madam sir ko. 2 to 3 days delivered na yung Valenzuela. Kaya umabot na 7 stocks na lang, bilis. Magbabalik na yan sa 9,999. Okay? Ayan guys, umabol na. Ayan na guys, humabol na bago pa yan bumalik sa 9,999. Ayan guys, humabol na bago pa yan bumalik sa 9,999. Kaya guys, sa mga nag-check out, maraming salamat mga madam sir ko. Ayan guys, bilis. Sino pa bang gusto umabol dyan? Dual SIM card, volume, speaker, charging pistol, paka ng headphone, on and off button, 5 lenses, cameras. Napaka-smooth, ang ganda pa na to gamitin pang online gaming, COD, PUBG. So while waiting, pwede rin tayong maglaro ng ML, PUBG, kahit anong mga pa-apps. Double time lang po sa pag-check out. Double time lang sa pag-check out guys. Again guys, ang manufacturer po natin ay Oppo. Again, magbibigay pa ako ng mga pa-free items. Ayan yung mga pa-free items natin guys. Sobrang gaganda, ang dami pa. Okay, aabot din ng 800 plus yan. Kaya sulit na sulit kapag nag-check out ka madam ko. Ayan, meron pa tayong cash on delivery nationwide. Ship within 24 hours. Magbibigay pa ako ng 1-year warranty. Sino pa ang di nakakahabol? Bilisan nyo na. Sino pa? Ayan na guys, kapag nag-done check out, bibigyan natin ng mga pa-free items. Mag-done check out na para makakuha ng pa-free items. Mag-done check out. Ayan guys, meron na naman tayong 40 minutes. 14 minutes mga madam sir ko. Yes, cellphone yan mga madam sir ko. Cellphone yan. Kaya naman umabot ka na sa pag-check out. Ayan guys, naka-high graphics na pwede pa tayo maglaro ng ML, PUBG, kahit ano mga pa-apps. Napaka-smooth lang na to. Kaya naman guys, umabot ka na. Okay, double time sa pag-check out. Ayan, si number 2 natin guys, nakapag-restock na rin si ating warehouse manager dyan. Kaya kung gusto nyo humabol na sa pag-check out. Kung gusto nyo humabol guys, humabol sa pag-check out mga madam sir ko. Ayan na, napaka-smooth lang na to gamitan guys. Humabol na sa pag-check out. Ano yung hindi nyo makita ma'am? Ano yung hindi nyo makita? Ayan na item number. Ayan, nakapin yan mga madam sir ko. Ipipin natin ulit guys. Item number 2 yan. Napaka-smooth. What you see is what you get. Talagang no disappointment at all. Ayan guys, magbibigay pa ako ng mga pa-free items. Kapag nag-check out, meron na lang tayo. Ayan, 7 stocks na lang guys. 7 stocks item number 1. Humabol na. Para yan sa mga naghabol kanina guys. Sa mga hindi nakahabol guys. Ayan, nakapag-restock tayo ulit. 7 stocks na lang ang natitira. Kaya humabol na sa pag-check out guys. Bago pa mag-end yung live ko, humabol na. Dahil guys, automatic yan. Babalik na yan sa 9,999. Babalik na yan sa 9,999 guys. Okay? Humabol na. Ayan na. 7 stocks na lang guys. Automatic yan na magbababay na tayo sa ating pa-free items. Bye-bye pa free items, 500 discount at magbabalik na yun sa 9,999. Magbabalik pa yan sa 9,999. Kaya naman umabot ka na kung bago ka pa lang sa ating shop. Ayan na, ayan sa mga nakahabol, maraming salamat po. Okay? Humabol na kung bago pa lang po kayo sa ating shop. Sayang kasi ang 500 discount guys at pa-free items natin. Kapag nag-checkout ka, may Bluetooth headphone ka na. Okay, paano mag-checkout? Click the yellow basket. Click the yellow basket guys. Humabol na ha. Humabol na sa pag-checkout guys. Bago pa tayo mag-end ng live. Eto mga of the circle, napaka-smooth pa ng screen yan. Napaka-smooth pa ng screen. Kaya kung mahilig ka mag-online games, ayan, I highly recommend this one, guys. I highly recommend this one, mga of the circle natin. Okay? Kaya naman umabot ka na sa pag-check out. Ayan, guys, original price po niya na 9,999. Again, guys, umabot ka na sa pag-check out kasi last day na ng pa-promo natin. Kapag nag-end yung live ko, automatic yan, guys. Babalik na yan sa 9,999, mga of the circle. Babalik niya sa 9,999. Bilis! Ayan na, what to see is what to get. Napaka-smooth pa ng screen. Kitang-kita nyo naman guys kung gaano ka-smooth yan. Kaya umabot ka na habang maaga pa. Okay, umabot na habang maaga pa. Ayan, napaka-smooth lang. Kita nyo naman, di ba? S22 Ultra guys. Working na working yung ating. Ayan. Okay, double time. Number 1 to. 3,399. Meron na lang tayong ayan. Ayan guys na nag-checkout sa umabot. Grabe, napakabilis talaga masolot na tong number 1 natin. Ayan guys pwedeng-pwede nang i-checkout yan sa ating yellow basket. Ayan guys, maraming salamat guys sa mga nag-checkout guys. Again at 3,399 na lamang po siya. Opo, ayan dahil po naka-promo tayo ngayon mga vlogger ko, makakakuha tayo ng 500 discount. Okay, so again guys, etong number 1 natin guys ang pinakamura. Ayan, bilisan nyo na sa pag-checkout. Meron din tayong cash on delivery nationwide, ship within 24 hours, magbibigay pa tayo ng 1-year warranty. Number 2 naman tayo guys sa number 2. Double time na sa pag-checkout ng number 1 natin guys, kasi automatic guys sold out na yan. Ayan na, nag-restock lang tayo. Napaka-smooth pa ng screen nun. Pwede pang heavy games. What you see is what you get. What you see is what you get, mga madam sir ko. Kaya bilisan nyo na sa pag-check out. Dahil po, ilang minuto na lamang guys, mag-e-end na tayo ng live. Okay? Yes sir, ayan, 3,399 po. Kasi ang original price po niyan ay 9,999. So, kung ayaw nyo mag-checkout ng worth 3,000 plus na S22 Ultra, ayan, wait po tayong mag-end yung promo natin, then mag-checkout po kayo ng worth 9,999. Okay? Gagawin natin 9,999 yan para sa inyo. Gusto nyo ba yon? Okay, kaya guys, sa mga hindi nakahabol, pasensyahan tayo. Mawawala na 500 discount at ibabalik ko na yun sa 9,999. Kaya ngayon pa lang guys, sumabol ka na. Ayan, kaya ngayon pa lang guys, sumabol ka na habang naka 3,000 plus pa lang yan. Kasi automatic guys, babalik na yan sa 9,999. Okay, ito yung Hot 30 Plus. Dual SIM card yan, volume speaker, charging pin, salpakan na headphone, on and off button, 3 lenses, camera, may pa-fingerprint ka na. Napaka-smooth guys. Talagang di nyo pagsisisihan kapag nag-end yung ating live guys. Again ha, double time. Ito na, papakita natin yung speaker na pang malakasan. Speaker na pang malakasan, napakaganda. Okay, kaya bilisan nyo na, sino ba bang hindi nakakahabol dyan. Ayan. Ayan na sa nag-checkout kay Sir tayo at kay CV. Ayan, CV Ngit. Ayan guys, sa nag-checkout, maraming salamat po. Ayan, sino pang hindi nakakahabol, bilis. Okay, dahil po mag-e-end na tayo ng live ha. Mag-e-end na tayo ng live. Pasensyahan na lang kapag hindi ka nakahabol. Ibabalik ko na yan sa 9,999. Wag lang i-add to cart guys ha, i-place order na diretso yan. Okay? Ayan, i-diretso na i-place order. I-diretso na i-place order, bilis. Ayan, dahil po babalik na natin sa 9,999. Ilang minuto na lamang tayo mag-extend guys ha, ng live natin. Automatic mga madasar ko kapag hindi nakahabol, bye-bye 500 discount at pa-free items. Bye-bye 500 discount at pa-free items. Sino pa hindi nakakahabol, bilis? Sino pa? Ayan guys. guys, ilang minuto na lamang po para makahabol. Ayan na, wag lang i-add to cart kasi automatic magiging unavailable yan sa yellow basket natin. Magiging unavailable yan sa yellow basket kapag nag-add to cart ka lang, tapos hindi kayo nag-check out mamaya pa pag nag-end yung live natin. That means hindi na yan counted sa mabibigyan ng mga pa-free items. Dapat dito pa lang sa live natin guys, mag-check out na para makakuha ng pa-free items. Double time guys again, limited stocks lamang to. Limited lamang po makakapag-check out ng item number 2 natin dahil automatic guys masasold out yan. Ayan guys, napaka-smooth lang na screen, di ba? Grabe, ang lakas pa ng speaker niyan. 3,499. 3,499, bilisan nyo na. Ito pa ang kinaganda dyan. Alam nyo kung ano yung kinaganda guys? Yung camera din at yung kanyang, ayan na, performance pagdating sa ML. PUBG, ayan na guys. Mag-i-end na tayo ng live kaya guys sa mga hindi makakahabol, I'm really sorry mga Madam Sir ko. Okay? Ito yung ating back camera, double time sa pag-check out ha. Ayan, sobrang smooth lang guys. And then this is our front camera. Diba? Napaka-smooth lang. Watch you see, watch you get. Pwede pa tayo mag-learn ng ML PUBG. 512 gigabytes na guys. Kaya umabot ka na bago pa tayo mag-end ng live. Ayan na guys, meron na naman tayong 31 minutes. 31 minutes guys. Ayan, magbabalik na yun sa 9,999. Ibabalik na natin sa 9,999 yan guys. Kaya naman umabot ka na sa pag-check out. Watch you see, watch you get. Double time. Ibabalik na natin sa 9,999 yan guys. Lalo na at last din na ng ating pa-promo mga Madam Sir ko. Lalo na at last din na ng ating pa-promo kaya bilis. Bilisan nyo na sa pag-check out. Okay? Ayan guys, pasensyahan tayo kapag ikaw hindi ka nakahabol, nakawala na tayong pa-promo para bukas. Kaya guys, ngayon pa lang i-check out nyo na yan para makakuha ka pa rin ng pa-free items. Okay? Para makakuha ka pa ng mga pa-free items. And then storage guys, meron tayong 512 gigabytes. Tsaka, ayan, actually dalawa pala sila. 512 gigabytes. Ang pagpipilian na dyan is yung yung RAM lang niya ang pagpipilian. Either 8 gigabytes or 12, either 12 gigabytes or 8 gigabytes. Okay? Ayan na. Pero yung pinaka-storage niyan guys ay 512 gigabytes. Napaka-smooth na to guys. Pakita ko yan sa inyo. Ayan, super high graphics. Pwede pang i-ultra mga Madam Sir ko. Super high graphics, pwede pang i-ultra. Kaya humabot ka na sa pag-check out. Last day na ng pa-promo natin, bilis. Sino pa hindi nakakahabol dyan? Double time sa pag-check out. Super high graphics. Pwede pang i-ultra. Okay, double time ang item number 2 to. 3,499, bilis. Ayan na guys, mag-e-end na tayo ng live. Pasensyahan na lamang po sa mga hindi makakahabol guys. By the way guys, we have cash on delivery nationwide, ship within 24 hours. Magbibigay pa tayo ng 1-year warranty. Magbibigay pa tayo ng 1-year warranty. No need to worry, secured pa rin ang money. Okay? No need to worry guys, secured pa rin ang money. Ayan, sino pa hindi nakakahabol? Yes, mataas ang gigabytes niyan. Actually, lahat naman guys, mataas yung gigabytes. Okay? Kaya double time habang maaga pa dahil po pag nag-end yung live ko, automatic na yan. Ang daming mawawala. Etong pa free items natin guys, mawawala din yan. Okay, ayan guys ha, ni-check out ako, bigyan mo ako pa free na case yung jelly. Ayan Ma'am Daviona, wala na po tayong pa free case kasi. Okay, sa ating item number 1 natin. So ma'am, eto ibibigay ko na lang pa Bluetooth headphone ma'am and then yung charger, okay? Ayan mga Madam Sir ko. Kaya guys, sa mga hindi nakapag-check out kanina or kahapon pala. Kahapon guys, humabol na kasi last day na ng pa-promo natin ngayon. Last day na ng ating pa-promo ngayon mga Madam Sir ko. Kaya humabol na sa pag-check out. Humabol na sa pag-checkout. Bilis! Ayan guys, bago pa tayo bumalik sa 9,999. Last din na ng pa-promo natin mga Madam Sir ko. Last din na ng pa-promo natin, kaya ngayon pa lang umabol ka na sa pag-checkout. Last din na ng pa-promo, what you see is what you get tayo guys ha. What you see is what you get. Okay, umabol na sa pag-checkout. Sino pa hindi nakakahabol dyan? Humabol na para mabigyan ng mga pa-free items, guys. Okay, bilis. Dahil po, ayan na, mag-end na tayo ng live, guys. Ayan na, ilang minutes na lamang po. Kapag hindi nakahabol, wala ng 500 discount, pa-free items. Sayang na sayang. Kaya naman, guys, ngayon pa lang, humabol ka na. Ayan na, napaka-smooth niyan. Okay, sino pa ba hindi nakakahabol? Ayan, sige, settings. Oh, settings natin, ha? Okay, ayan, super high graphics. Naka-ultra na rin siya mga dancer ko. Ayan, kaya umabot ka na sa pag-checkout kasi kapag nag-end yung live ko guys, automatic yan. Babalik ko na yan sa 9,999. Ibabalik ko na yan sa 9,999. Kaya bilis sa pag-checkout. Bilis sa pag-checkout guys. Okay, double time. Ayan na. What you see is what you get mga dancer ko. Ayan na, what you see is what you get. Ayan. O, diba? What you see is what you get, guys. Napaka-smooth. Sino pang gusto umabol? Bilis para mabigyan ng pa-free items. Ayan. Yes po, yung number 1 natin. Umabol na rin kayo dyan. Dahil po, mag-end na rin tayo ng pa-live, guys. Ayan. Okay, mag-end na rin tayo na paano, guys, ng pa-live natin kapag hindi nakahabol. Last day na ng pa-promo natin. Okay? Last day na ng pa-promo, kaya bilisan nyo na. Last day na ng pa-promo, sino pang hindi nakakahabol dyan? At mag-place order na diretso. Mag-place order ka na diretso, guys. Okay? Sa mga nag-checkout, guys, congrats agad sa inyo. Dahil magbibigay tayo ng mga pa-free items. Ayan, legit na legit. What you see is what you get pa yan. Okay? Sino pa hindi nakakahabol? 500 discount yan, guys. Meron pa tayong cash on delivery nationwide shipping in 20 bars. Magbibigay pa ako ng 1-year warranty. Kaya naman, no need to worry, secure pa rin ang money, guys. No need to worry, secure ang money. Yung papiso natin, guys, yun yung mga pa-free items na makukuha ng mag-checkout ng cellphone na worth 3,000 plus. Again, wag lang i-add to cart guys, i-place order nyo na diretso yan. Wag i-add to cart, place order kasi baka maabutan tayo ng sold out. Okay, kapag naabutan ka ng sold out, automatic magiging unavailable yan. Eto guys, number 1 natin, napaka-smooth lang. Ayan, S20 Ultra Dual SIM card, volume speaker, charging pixel, paka na headphone, on and off button, 5 lenses, cameras. What you see is what you get, kaya umabot ka na sa pag-checkout. Ayan mga madam sir natin. Kaya guys, sa mga hindi pa nakakahabol, umabol na ha. Ayan, mag-end na tayo ng live, sayang yan. 512 gigabytes na yan mga madam sir ko. 512 gigabytes. Meron pa tayo guys, again ha. Ang lakas pa ng speaker, S20 Ultra. Meron na lang tayo 10 stocks dito sa S20 Ultra guys. 10 stocks na lamang po. Papakinggan natin yung speaker niyan. 10 stocks na lamang yan guys, sa umabot ka na sa pag-checkout. Humabot na sa pag-checkout. Yung number 12 natin, sir, wala pa tayong sample. Wala pa tayong sample dyan. Bilis! Ayan na guys, mag-end ako ng live. 10 stocks na lang si S20 Ultra. 3,399 to 3,599. Ito yung front camera natin guys, napakaganda. Okay, 3,399, 10 stocks na lang to. Bago pa yun masold out, bilis. Ayan yung ating back camera guys, napakalinaw. Napakalinaw, 10 stocks na lang, umabot ka na sa pag-checkout. Dahil po pwede rin tayo mag-earn ng COD, PUBG, ML, walang problema. 3,399 guys, 10 stocks na lang yan. Paunahan bago pa bumalik sa 9,999 kasi last day na ng pa-promo natin guys. So that means kapag nag-end na yung live ko guys, ayan na, wala na tayong pa-promo, babalik na rin yan sa 9,000.